Once upon a time, in a village nestled by the banks of the great Niger River, there lived a young boy named Chukwudi. Chukwudi was known for his cleverness and quick thinking. But the village was plagued by a mischievous spirit that lurked in the waters, known as the river spirit. The river spirit would often play tricks on the villagers, causing mischief and chaos. One day, it decided to challenge the villagers to a contest of wits. Whoever could outsmart the river spirit would be granted a wish. Excited by the opportunity, Chukwudi stepped forward to accept the challenge. The river spirit appeared before him, its watery form shimmering in the sunlight. "I challenge you to a riddle contest," the river spirit declared. "If you can answer my riddles correctly, you will win your wish. But if you fail, I will take something precious from you." Chukwudi nodded bravely, ready to face the challenge. The river spirit began to ask its riddles, each one more difficult than the last. But Chukwudi listened carefully and answered each one correctly, using his wit and intelligence to outsmart the spirit. Impressed by Chukwudi's cleverness, the river spirit conceded defeat. "You have proven yourself worthy," it said. "What is your wish?" Chukwudi thought carefully before responding. "I wish for the prosperity and happiness of my village," he said. With a wave of its watery hand, the river spirit granted Chukwudi's wish. From that day on, the village flourished, and the people lived in peace and harmony. And Chukwudi became known as the boy who outsmarted the river spirit, a hero to his village and a legend for generations to come.